And basically, integration is the reverse process of differentiation. Okay, differentiation reverse. I'll just show you basic examples and then we'll start with integration. So what we used to do in differentiation was, for example, we had a function 3x raised to power 4. So we used to multiply the power becomes 12 and reduce 1 from the power. And in integration, what do? We do the reverse. We add 1 in power and then divide with power. That was multiply with power and subtract 1. This is add 1 and divide with power. So when you simplify it, this becomes 3x4. That was 3x4. One addition, that whenever there was a constant, in case of differentiation, the constant disappears. So in case of integration, when we add 1 to the power and divide it by new power, we just add c, that is constant. But this time we cannot guess it was 7, 11, or what. So we'll just have 3x4 plus c. Now there will be some parameters that will be given. For example, let's say this is dy by dx, that was y. This is dy by dx, and we are integrating the dy by dx to get y. And one of the values of y and x will be given to find c. So basically, in general terms, if we have dy by dx equal to something raised to power n, equation will be add 1 to power and then divided by new power plus c. There's definitely more to it, as there was in differentiation, that we had one type of equation, how to differentiate that simple equation, multiplicative, quotient rule, and so on. So we'll do it step by step.
Well, basically, it's the reverse. So it's you add
Yes.
it to the power
And then divide with the power.
and then
Plus
divide by the power.
exact opposite. So dy by dx, we are doing this for examples. 6x square minus 5 over x square plus 4x. Similarly, I have that same practice that I bring things in numerator first and then solve. Okay, now plus 1 in power and divide by power. Differentiation was multiply and minus. This is plus and divide. So 6x cube over 3 minus 5x minus 1 over minus 1 plus 4x square over 2 plus c. Because there must have been a constant before it was differentiated. And now simplification part. 6 by 3 is 2x cube, minus minus is plus 5 over x, 2 by 4 by 2 is 2x square plus c. Now when you integrate this, you get this. And definitely when you would differentiate this last line, you will get this back. Clear?
Sort of. I
Not
think I understand. I know it's the reverse.
just recall, just recall. This is 2x cube. If you would differentiate it, what would you get?
You would multiply the 3 with the 2, so it'd be 6x 2, 6x squared.
6x2. See, is it the case?
Oh, so it's just, but
And now try this. Don't worry, just try this. We'll practice few questions, you'll get it. Try this. Differentiate this.
4x and
4x.
6 is
Is
that.
it the case? So see, that's the exact opposite. You multiplied and then subtracted, and integration is reverse. We add and then divide. Add to power and then divide with new power. So just the exact opposite. Just the exact opposite. So dy by dx is equals to 8x cube over 4 3x 5 minus 2. So first thing, I'm writing it as a numerator dy by dx. Now when I'll integrate, this becomes y. So just the reverse. We used to multiply and subtract. Now I'm adding and dividing. So 8x4 over 4. Just addition and division. So 4x minus 4 over new power minus 2x over new power is just 1 plus c. And simplification. 8 by 4 is 2, 2x 4. Now minus minus is plus. 4 cancels out with 4 and I'm left with 1 over 3x 4 minus 2x plus c. If I would differentiate this, I'll definitely get that back.
But so we already differentiated in the first
Yeah,
way.
no, we're not differentiating it again. We're just integrating. I'm just relating it. The requirement in this question is just to integrate and get the equation. Look at the third equation. dy by dx is equals to x square plus 3x minus 10 over square root x. Now first we are simplifying, separating all of them. X square over square root x plus 3x over square root x minus 10 over square root x. And now this is basically indices when I'm simplifying it. The power is 2 and at the bottom the power is 1 by 2. I'm using calculator. So 2 minus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. X raised to power 3 by 2 plus 3 and x raised to power 1 by 2. Now this should be numerator minus 10 x raised to power minus 1 by 2 already. So this is dy by dx. And when we integrate, now we are integrating. Equation will become, what was our rule? Add 1 to power and then divide by new power. So when we add 1 to power, 3 by 2 will become 5 by 2. And we are dividing with 5 by 2 plus. When we add 1 to power, this becomes 3 by 2 and we're dividing with 3 by 2. Minus 10, adding 1 to power is 1 by 2 and we're dividing with 1 by 2 plus c. And now the simplification part. So this is basically 2x 5 by 2 over 5 plus 3 would just cancel out. That's 2x 3 by 2 minus 20x 1 by 2 plus c. Okay. Okay. Try this worked example with me. I'll go slowly. This is dy by dx is equals to 1 minus x into 3x minus 2. So first, what do? We just multiply and simplify it. Get it straight. 1 into 3x minus 2 minus 3x square plus 2x. So simplifying it becomes minus 3x square and 3 and 2 is 5x and minus 2. Now the equation is straightened. Now we'll go for integration. Let me
So
know
we just
this will become.
basically we expanded it and then we also differentiated it again, right?
Now this is just the expansion. Original
Okay.
equation, multiplication, simplification, just the expansion, nothing.
Okay.
And now we'll integrate it.
But isn't integration the opposite of differentiation? So don't we have
Yes.
to differentiate to integrate?
This is already differentiated. We'll integrate it to get the equation back.
Oh, okay.
Okay. The rule was power plus 1 divided by power. So minus 3x power plus 1 divided by power. What would this become? 5x power plus 1 is 2 over power. Last is constant. There is actually x with power 0. So x1 over 1 plus c. Now see, the equation has some extra information. A curve is such that dy by dx is given as such, and 2 comma 8 is a point on the curve. So x is given and y is given to find c. Now y is 8, x is 2, and we use calculator to find c. That's it. I'm using calculator. 2 cube, that's just minus 8. 2 times 4. 4 5 are 20 by 2 is 10 minus 4 plus c. So 8 plus 8 minus 10 plus 4 is equals to c. So 8 plus 8 minus 10 plus 4 is 10. So when we get c, we rewrite the equation. Y is equals to minus 3 by 3 should be simplified, minus x cube plus 5 by 2 x square minus 2x plus 10. So this is actually the equation whose derivative is this at the top, or the simplified one this at the top. Let me just highlight them. When we integrate this, we get this equation back. If we will differentiate it, we'll get the exact derivative back. Does that make sense?
Wait, how do we get the 8 again?
No, if we do it, this is the
No,
question and this is the answer.
no, I understand that, but the 8
The 8,
instead of the y.
yeah, that's given in the question. 2 comma 8.
Oh, so we just substituted it.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then y equals that is the integrated version, right?
Y is equals to all this. Yes, that's the integrated version.
The highlighted, but the unhighlighted y equals to that.
That is also integrated version, but C was unknown. This is the final answer with the
Oh, with
value.
this me. Okay.
Now, just for confidence, this final answer, differentiate it to check if you get this value. Okay, just differentiate this.
Negative 3x squared plus 5, so 2 times 5 over 2. So that'd be 5x minus 2. Yeah. And that
Done.
should be the one that we got.
Let me know when it's completely done.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. See, is it the one?
Negative 3x squared. Yes, it is.
See.
So it's just, yeah, it's just the
So
opposite of
basically,
each other.
now I'm going to write the relation only, and I'm going to tell you the standards which we just ignored for the sake of simplicity. When we used to have the equation, we differentiated to get dy by dx, right?
Yes.
Now we are having dy by dx and we are doing reverse of that, that is integration to get y. This is the whole story.
But I'm still like stuck on the processes of integration.
You'll get hands-on experience on that, you'll get comfortable, but the logic behind it is this. We had the equation, we differentiated it to get dy by dx, that is the gradient. Now we have the gradient and we integrate it to get the equation back. That is why it is reverse of each other. To differentiate, we get gradient. From the gradient, we get the equation back. Reverse process. I'll keep it in more detail, more depth. There was this equation which would definitely represent some curve or anything. Then we had a dy by dx, which at any point will give you the gradient. or minimum or maximum when you used to put dy by dx equal to 0 for minimum or maximum. And then how do we check the double derivative for? We used to check it for the nature. My bad. This was for turning point. And this was for minimum and maximum. Remember? Now, similarly, if you would be given with,
Yes, yeah.
if you would
So
be,
nature was minimum maximum and then the gradient was equal to 0. Yeah.
yeah, if you would be given with double derivative, you integrate it for once. You integrate it once, you will get dy by dx. You integrate that again, you will get equation. So equation derivative is dy by dx. Again, derivative is d square y over dx square. And reverse is when you have d square y over dx square, you integrate it once, you get dy by dx. You integrate it again, you get equation. And the application, do not get confused. You'll integrate it again, you will get area. We will eventually reach to this point, area under the curve. Now,
Area of the
a
curve.
small standard, dy by dx. How do we use to integrate? For example, we have this equation y is equals to, yeah, area under the curve, 2x square plus 3. And I'm giving one of the point when x is 1, y is 5. So we differentiate it. Dy by dx is 2 times 4x. This is the differentiation. And if I wish to get the equation back, so this would be my main question, 4x. Now I'm going to integrate it. So basically y is equals to these are the standards, integral sine and dx. We practiced everything just now without this sign. Without this sign, we will be using this sign a lot in all the time. So when I'll integrate it, it is actually power plus 1 over power plus c. And this is the equation now, which is 2x square plus c. How to find that? We know one of the values. When x is 1, y is 5. Y 5, x 1 plus c. You solve for it, you get 3 equals c, and we rewrite the equation y is equals to 2x square plus 3. I'm doing it for the same question, so you get to know that it really works. When you have the equation, you derivate it. When you have the derivative, you can integrate it as per requirement, and we can get the original equation back. See, 2x square plus 3, and this started with 2x square plus 3. So reverse of both of them is possible.
I understand the reverse. I understand that it's the opposites of each other. But then, like, actually doing it.
Why are we doing it?
No, actually doing it is kind of difficult to understand. So we first integrated it, the 4x, and then it was 4x dx.
Okay, what would be in exam? In exam, this won't be there. Only this. Derivative is given. We integrated power plus 1 divided by power plus c. And then we'll have one set of values. We substitute it to find c. And we write the equation 3 steps. Question complete.
Power plus 1 divided by the power.
Yes.
So power, so it would be, so it was 1, so now it's 2. And the 4 remains, and then it's divided by 2. Plus c, okay. And then we substitute the thing back.
Yes.
Okay.
Find y in terms of x for each of the following. Try the first one. First one, is it done? 12x4
So it would be 12x 3 over 3?
power plus 1.
Oh, 4x 5 over 5 plus
Yes.
c?
Plus c, yes. So that's 12x5 over 5 plus c. B part. Just keep going. B part. Dictate me.
Then this would be 5x 9 over 9 plus c.
That's c. Very good. Keep going.
7x 4 over 4 plus c.
Very good. Now, I'm myself not confident when it is in denominator. With practice, you can do it directly, but I just do it this way that I write 4x minus 3 first. Now I do it. Power plus 1 over new power
4x
plus
minus 2 over minus 2.
minus 2 over x2 plus c. So minus 2 over x2 plus try e part e and then the 15.1 question 1 ef.
The whole thing is 1 over 2x squared. So it's going to be
Take only
negative
x square in
2.
numerator first.
Sorry?
Take the x square in numerator. That will be x raised to a minus 2 over 2 and then integrate.
Oh, so uh, 2x cubed over 3.
No, that's minus 2. When you add 1, it becomes minus 1.
Oh, minus 2 plus 1. Okay. So 2x minus 1 over minus 1.
Now I'm going to integrate it. This is written simplified. Y is equals to power plus 1 over new power plus c. And simplification minus 1 over 2x plus c. Are you getting this?
Minus. Why does the. Oh, so we move the x on top because it's minus 2. And then 2 still on the bottom. And then x minus 1 times over minus 1. So, okay, I understand.
Okay. Nice. F part. dy by dx is equals to 3 over square root x. So dy over dx is equals to 3x negative 1 by 2. Now I'm integrating it. Power plus 1 over new power plus c. And now I'm simplifying it. 6x 1 by 2 plus c. Or you may also write it like this. What do you say?
Okay.
Okay.
So, it's
Yeah, yeah.
x negative 1 over 2, and then plus 1 over 2, and that would just be 1 over 2 plus c. Okay. 6 1
Yes.
over
Okay. Try 2a.
So integrated form is 3x cubed over 3. So that's just probably
Which
x
one?
cubed
Which
for
one are
a
you
part.
doing?
Oh, I'm doing 3a part instead of 2.
Okay, let me just see that. I was looking at 2a. dy by dx, that's 3x square minus 3 to the 6x. Okay, now tell your answer.
I got 3x cubed over 3, so that's just x cubed, minus 6x squared over 2, so that's just 3x squared.
And plus c.
Yeah, plus c.
Nice. That's good. Okay. Now, if you would notice, mm, I think we should do a little more practice before we change the new type. This C is actually the new type with the power. So we'll do a little more. I'm coming back to question 2. 2a dy by dx is equals to 7x6 plus 2x4 plus 3. So y is 7x7 over 7 plus 2x5 over 5 plus 3x plus c. And simplification. x7 plus 2x5 over 5 plus 3x plus c. Okay, try to be
Yeah, I know D and B and D.
ball. Yeah, we'll do all these four. dy by dx is equals to 2x5 minus 3x cube plus 5x. Dictate me.
It would be 2x6 over 6 minus 3x4 over 4 plus 5x squared over 2.
Correct. Plus c. And now just the simplification. Coming to C part. Now, before I go for integration, I'm just simplifying it first, bringing everything numerator. Okay. Now y is equals to 3x power plus 1 over new power minus 15x power plus 1 over new power plus x square over new power plus c. And now we simplify. Y is equals to, I'll do it in two steps. 3 cancels out. This is just minus x minus 3. Minus minus cancel out. Plus 15x minus 1. X square by 2 plus c. And minus 1 over x cube. I just didn't do it in the previous step to avoid any confusion. Or we could have done it once. We could write this step directly as well, no issues. Is this thing clear?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay, try D part, then we'll move on to the new concept. In 2D. I'm simplifying this for myself. You're doing it individually, okay?
Okay.
Yep. Stopping here, I'll wait for you.
But with the minus 2 itself, because I have the other ones. I have the other ones, and it's like I have the
Is it
other
done?
and it's 18x negative 9 over negative 9 plus 6x,
18 is negative 9 over negative 9, and then
and then 6x negative 6 over negative 6. And then the minus 2 just stays, right?
and then
And then the minus 2 just stays.
no, we add x.
To the minus 2?
Yeah, yeah. See, just assume that there's no x. That means that was x raised to power 0
Oh, then now it's just 1. Okay.
and plus c
Let me simplify.
minus 2x minus 9, and that's minus x minus 6 minus 2x plus c. Done with the numbers, and now the variables. Sorry, I had to do that. This is over x9 minus 1 over x6 minus 2x plus c. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now there's only this c part, which is actually a bit new. So there are two ways to do it. Either we open the square first or use the formula of power. Just avoiding that power because I think that would be the new subtopic. Yeah, that will be new. So we'll keep it simple. That is the next subtopic. Okay. So this says I'm going for C part directly. Question 3, C part. dy by dx is equals to x plus 2 square root x whole square. So first I'm using this a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. More simplification, x square plus 4x plus 4x 3 by 2. Now I will integrate it. X3 over 3 plus 4x square over 2 plus 4x 5 by 2 over 5 by 2 plus c. And now simplification. X cube over 3 plus 2x square 8 by 5x 5 by 2 plus c. Try D part. Question 3D. Integration is just matter of practice. The application is easy.
Is it x x4 over 4 plus 4 over 3x cubed minus x cubed minus 6x squared plus c?
Plus C. Yes, that's it. If you're getting confident, we can move question
Oh,
number.
but where's the extra x cubed?
Which one? This is your D part. X4 by 4 plus x cubed by 3 minus 6x squared plus C.
And is it a simplified version? Because I'm getting x 4 over 4 plus 4 over 3 x cubed minus x cubed
I'll
minus
do it
6x
because
squared.
this is the simplified version.
Okay.
I'll do it
How
with
would
you.
you simplify that though?
Maybe there's some elementary mistake. I'll do it. X into x minus 3 into x plus 4. So x square minus 3x and then x plus 4 x cube plus 4x minus 3x minus 12x minus 3x square actually, sorry. And this would become x cube minus 3x square plus minus 9x. Okay, so this is x 4 over 4. This is minus 3x cube over 3 minus 9x square over 2. My bad, that was 4 and 12. This is 8. So that is 8x square over 2 plus c. So x4 by 4 minus x cube minus 4x square plus c. Why is there 6? X into x square minus 3x and then x cube and 4. Oh my god, this was 4x square. Allow me to do that again quickly. Question 3D. dy by dx is equals to x into x minus 3 into x plus 4. This is x square minus 3x and then x plus 4. X square into x is x cube, x square into 4 is 4x square minus 3x square. 3 fours are minus 12x. So x cube plus x square minus 12x. This is dy by dx simplified. Now we integrate. So y is equals to x 4 over 4 plus x 3 over 3 minus 12x square over 2 plus c. So y is equals to x 4 over 4 plus x 3 over 3 minus 6x square plus c. There must have been an elementary mistake.
I think so, maybe. Like, I got the x cubed plus 4x squared minus 3x squared minus 12x. I had all of that. But then afterwards, oh, I see.
Yep.
So we have to differentiate it again?
No, no. Okay, just tell me, did you get this line at the top?
X cubed plus x squared minus 12x. No.
Okay, you're getting 4. That was actually plus 4 and minus 3.
Also, we could simplify it.
Yes. Then you get plus 1x square.
Okay, I see. Okay.
Okay. Now question 4. We'll be finding C as well. dy by dx is equals to 3x square minus 4x plus 1. Y is equal to 3x cube over 3 minus 4x square over 2 plus x plus c. I'll simplify before I use those values. That x cube minus 2x square plus x plus c. X0, y5. Y5, 0, 0, 0. So c is equals to 5. So the final equation is y is equals to x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 5. This is the final equation. Question number 4. X cube minus 2x square plus x plus 5. Done. Try question number 5. The one at the top.
Y equals 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 4.
Number 5. 2x cube minus 3x square minus 4. Correct. Okay. Now all these, the nature of the question is same. Just practice the types. Um. Okay, let's just do it. Let's do these two as well.
Is there a
Okay.
next subunit after this?
Sorry.
Is there another subunit after this or more questions?
Yeah,
After
yeah.
this.
These questions are they just require simplification. After this, we'll have new subtopic.
Oh, okay.
So this is 2x cube over x square plus 6 over x square. Before we integrate, we'll simplify it first. So I'm left with 2x plus 6x minus 2. So that's dy by dx. So y is equals to 2x square over 2 plus 6x minus 1 over minus 1 plus c. So this is going to be y is equals to x square minus 6 over x plus c, and x is minus 1, y is 10. This is 10 minus 1 squared minus 6 over minus 1 plus c. So that's 1 plus 6 plus c, that's 10. 7c is equals to 3. When c is 3, I have it simplified. Y is equals to x square minus 6 over x plus 3. This was number 6. X square minus x plus 3. Yeah. One more. Then we'll move on to next subtopic. That too will be integration. but the type of question will be different. 2 minus square root x whole square over square root x. So first I'm opening the numerator, that's a square minus 2ab plus b square over square root x. Simplifying it further, 4 over square root x minus 4 square root x over square root x plus x over square root x. And still simplifying, 4x minus 1 by 2. This just cancels out, minus 4, and that's x 1 by 2. This is dy by dx. Now that's simplified form, and we go for integration. 4x power plus 1 over power minus 4x over 1 plus x 3 by 2 over 3 by 2 plus c. So this is y is equals to 8x 1 by 2 minus 4x plus 2 by 3 x 3 by 2 plus c. And the pair, this was question 7, x 9 y 14. This is 14, 9 square root 9 plus 2 by 3, 9 plus c. So that's 14, 9 square root is 3, 8 is a 24, 9 4 is 36, 9 square root is 3, 3 cube is 27, 27 by 3 is again 9, 9 2 is 18 plus c. We can also use calculator. I was just trying to check if my mental math is still working. And now I'm using calculator. That is 14 minus 24 plus 36 minus 18 is 8. So final equation y is equals to 8 square root x minus 4x plus 2 by 3 x 3 by 2 plus 8. Number 7. This. Done. Okay, now let's see if we have something different. The word indefinite integral, what we've been doing was indefinite integral because we integrate and put plus c. Definite integral will be something when we will put some values here, then we will not use plus c. That is a very minor difference and very easy to understand. Let's just keep doing it and we'll do the exact question when we touch that subtopic. Now understand this. X raised to power n, this is what we've been doing. Power plus 1 divided by power and plus c. And when we integrate any function, if we are multiplying it with the constant, we can take that constant outside as well. For example, if the question is 3 into x square plus 4, and this is dy by dx, so I can take that 3 outside and integrate x square plus 4 only. Since 3 is outside, this is x cube over 3 plus 4x, and then we can multiply it. So this will become x cube plus 12x. That is one way. And the other was we just multiply it inside. So that would become 3x square plus 12 and then integrate. So both are possible. So this is 3x cube over 3 plus 12x plus c over 1 plus c. So c x cube plus 12x plus c. We do get the same answer. So this second one tells you if there is a constant being multiplied with the function, you can take that constant out and multiply that later.
So
Similarly,
constant, like the one they showed, like the 3, and then we can take it out and then do it later.
yeah, any constant if there is any. Like
Okay.
what we've been doing till now is we are we are simplifying every equation then integrating. So no need to simplify every equation. If this is the type that a constant is being multiplied, we can take that constant out and multiply it later. If any function is being multiplied, we cannot take that function out.
Okay.
And the third type, just look at this closely. We are integrating two different functions, let's say x square plus x cube. We can integrate them separately. X square plus x cube will give the same answer. I've written the simplest of forms which must be that what was the need. Sometimes the questions are lengthy, sometimes there are two equations. So you will feel comfortable by separating them and then integrating. For example, I say equation 1 is x cube minus 4 over x plus 3, and equation 2 is x5 plus x4 over 12 minus 7. And now I say integrate y1 minus y2. Now you'll feel easy by separating them like this, integrating them separately, and then subtracting. So that entirely depends on the individual's practice. Okay, now just look at this first one. In this case, this is a variable that's being multiplied. This is a function that is being multiplied. So we will multiply it inside and then integrate. If this would have been any constant, we can take that out and then integrate. 15.2 is somehow the same, just the difficulty level of question might increase, and then nothing new in this subtopic. For example, this first one is 4x 8 over 8 plus c. So this becomes 1 by 2 x8 plus c. This is 15 to 1a. 15 to 1a. x8 by 2 plus c. x8 by 2 plus c. Getting it? So now
Yeah, I think
difference
so.
between 15.1 and 2 is just introducing this symbol.
Oh, okay. So it's
And
just
when
okay. I
there are
understand.
no limits written on it, we call it indefinite
Limit
integral. And when there are symbols, we call it definite integral. See, indefinite integral, and the other one will be definite integral.
with the limits.
Yeah, this is indefinite and this is definite. The only difference is we put c and we do not put c. So this is 12x x over 6 plus c. Simplified form is 2x6 plus c. Done. So if you say that you will be able to practice, you will have some time, we can skip few questions. The sole purpose is to complete the task on time. And if you won't have it, we can practice right now.
No, I'll have time to practice.
Okay, so just have a quick look on question 2. If you feel any difficult question, we can do it right now. Probably in question 2, I am foreseeing that you'll be able to do all of them. Even in third part, only the difficulty level is increasing, nothing is new. If
For
still there,
F part, it's with the 3 on in front of the cube. So it'll be
let's
3 over 2.
yeah, simply we just open the square and do what we were doing.
I understand.
So this is 15.2, question 3, F part. We're integrating square root x plus 3 over x square root x whole square dx. Now again, as it depends entirely on individual's practice, I'm very comfortable first simplifying it. I'm writing it as 1. This is x. 2 plus 1 by 2 is 5 by 2. And then squared dx. So this is x square a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 into 3 is 6 to square root x over x 5 by 2 plus c. Now I'm simplifying it. This is x plus, no, sorry. This wasn't integrated yet. This is just the simplification dx. 9x minus 5. Now that's 1 by 2 and that's 2.5. So I'll be left with the 2 in the denominator dx. Integrating, and I forgot that. 1 by 2 plus 9x minus 5 plus 6x minus 2 dx. Now it is all simplified. I'll integrate it. Power plus 1 over power, I'm doing it directly. Power plus 1 over power, power plus 1, and my bad, this was minus 4 over power, power plus 1 over power plus c. So this is now 2 by 3x, 3 by 2, minus 9 by 4 over x 4, minus 6 over x plus c. This turns out to be same. Question 3, F. No, please no. Question 3, F. Having a slight difference. This is x squared by 2 minus x by x minus 9 by 4x plus c. Okay, this x square is over 2 is there. 6 over x is correct. This is correct. C is correct. I'm just going to quickly check the first one. Mhm. That was square root x. Oh, that was correct. I just ruined it by writing this 1 by 2. See, this was a square. A square would cancel out that root.
Oh, it's gonna just be x. Okay.
Yeah, I forgot to. I just thought I integrated it. I copied that. So this will be just power plus 1 over power, power plus 1 over power. So uh, this is x square over 2. F part. Done. X square by 2 minus 9 by 4x4 minus 6 by x plus c. So just the difficulty level is increasing. There's nothing new. Okay, now this is the new subtopic of this form. We have a function and there's a power on the function. So what do we do? I'm just rewriting the general form, which is on the right. We have a function ax plus b raised to power n, and we integrate it. And what were we usually doing? We were adding 1 to the power and dividing with the power. Is it so? Adding 1 to power and dividing with new power. And now what do? We differentiate whatever is inside the bracket and divide with it. So you differentiate whatever is inside the bracket, you get x, and you get a, and we divide with the bracket. In differentiation, we used to multiply. In integration, we are dividing with it. Reverse process of differentiation. In differentiation, we used to multiply with it. In integration, we're dividing with it. See, this was 2x square plus 3 whole raised to power 7. In differentiation, we used to do this 7, 2x square plus 3 power 6. And then we differentiate this and multiply. Remember that? Now we
Yeah.
are doing reverse of it. Now we're doing reverse of it. For example, I have 3x cube minus 4 power 8. So what are we doing? We're adding 1 to the power, dividing with power, and whatever is the differentiation of this, this is in this case 9x square, we're dividing with it. Before we used to multiply, now we're dividing. Exact reverse. So this is the new subtopic. Let's see this first one. 3x minus 8 power 5 integral dx. So step 1, deal with the power 3x minus 8 raised to the power 6 over 6. And then whatever is inside, the differentiation is 3. We divide with that plus c. And so the simplification is 3x minus 8 power 6 over 6, 3 times 18 plus c. Try b part. And please do a lot of practice of small little parts. Whatever question comes in exam, you should be able to just integrated. The application of integration is very easy. You just need to be confident that how to integrate this type of question and how to differentiate this type of question. The applications are easy.
Okay. So B part.
Still doing it? B part?
Yeah. I'm just solving the last part. I'm kind of stuck on this one though.
V part?
Yep.
I'll do it with you. And I just hope I don't make any careless mistake. Okay. And let's just get rid of the working first. Integral 8 over 4x plus 1 cube dx. 8 4x plus 1 minus 3 dx integral. Now that is 8. That is a constant. I'm taking it out, but I'm just leaving it as it is. So 4x plus 1 power plus 1 over power multiplied with the differentiation of the function inside is only 4. I'll divide with the differentiation plus c. Now I'm going to simplify it. 2 would cancel out with that 8, and this 4 will also cancel out with that 8. So 2 4 times 8 in numerator, 8 4x plus 1 minus 2 over minus 8 plus c. So that's actually minus 1, and that power is negative. 4x plus 1 power becomes positive now, plus c. Done. Thank God. Okay.
Yeah,
And
I think I
have a quick look
And
on
then
the.
with the C, if there are coordinates, then we could solve for C as well, right?
Yes, yes. I'm just having a quick look if there is something new. Yeah, coordinates just like this. Okay, let's just do it. This is 4x plus 1 raised to power 5 over 5, and then 4 plus c. So this is 4x plus 1 power 5 over 20 plus c. Y is equals to this. So it is given that when x is 0, y is negative 1.5. So x 0, that makes it 1 over 20. This is negative 1.95 minus 1 over 20 equals c. I'm using calculator. 1.95 and 1 by 20 add up to exact 2. So the final answer is all this with plus 2. So which is 4x plus 1 over 20. And this is raised to power 5 plus 2. That's y. This is exercise 15.3 question 2. 15.3 question 2. 4x plus 1 power 5 by 20 minus 2, my bad, that was minus minus, this is minus, and that's also minus. Okay, so you'll be able to do till 5.3 for now. Okay,
Okay.
this is page 388. Okay, so do practice, and inshallah we'll